Hey everyone, I decided to go to H&M Home and Zara Home to see what new products they have, and I also needed a few things for upcoming makeovers, so I thought why not just film it and show you guys. I went to H&M Home first. I really like this store. You can get good quality, beautiful products, and the prices are not bad. First at the entrance I saw this display. I really like the combination of beige and lilac. This vase is not a new product, I'm sure you guys have seen it everywhere. It's really beautiful and they have it in small and large size too. This small lilac vase looked really nice. It's $9.99. Even just by itself, having it on display looks great. I really love the cushion covers in H&M Home. You can get a cover basically in any color. It's a really easy way to update your decor. Simply changing your cushion covers can make a big difference. More beautiful vases. They have really nice high quality ceramic vases. Most of them have a good price too. They have also really cool hangers, hooks. I also bought one for a makeover. I really love their plant pots from mango wood. They have also a lot of boxes for kitchen in different sizes. They even sell really cool prints and you can buy frames as well in different colors. The prices are great too. I love their candles and diffusers. They smell divine and also they look really high-end. Their rugs are amazing, really colorful. They have small one, large one, anyone can find their favorite one. They have the cutest products for kids, not just toys but also decor pieces, so if you need to decorate your kids' room, H&M has definitely a lot of great products that you can choose from. I fell in love with this green and lilac display, especially this vase is so gorgeous. Not sure if it's new, but I haven't seen it before. It looks beautiful. This is a new asymmetric vase which I saw online with a textured finish. It looks so interesting and nice, also comes in different sizes. They also have really affordable shopping bags in different sizes and colors. One of my favorite sections is the kitchen section. They have really unique pieces. You can basically get almost everything for your kitchen here. Beautiful plates, mugs, storage boxes, hand towels, and so on. And here are the boxes that I mentioned. They are really beautiful storage boxes. They can look so nice on the kitchen counter. They have really cool knobs, but to be honest, if you need only a few, I think it's not that expensive. But if you want to replace, for example, all the knobs on your kitchen cabinets, it can really add up. I love their towels, they come in beautiful colors. I also bought a few of this deep green hand towel. You can find very nice bedding sets or throw blankets, sheets at H&M Home. Then I went to Zara Home, which is basically across the street. The prices are definitely higher, but it's worth checking their website or in-store because they have great sales and the products are really high quality. Their bedding sets, sheets are gorgeous, they have a luxury feel to them. Just like at H&M Home, Zara offers really beautiful vases. Actually, I have this one at home, which I bought for my room. It's beautiful, but they have such a big selection, different sizes, colors, textures. I love their knobs, really unique pieces, but again, if you need a lot of knobs, it can cost you a lot, but if you need just a few, they can look so nice on some furniture. For kitchen and bathroom also they have such nice pieces. I love these containers with wooden lid. Gorgeous plates, mugs. I really love this dark blue, almost black plate set. They also have gorgeous cushion covers, throw blankets, and baskets too. Their hand soaps, candles, diffusers are definitely on the pricier side, but they look beautiful and the smell of this hand soap is divine. A combination of basil, eucalyptus and mint. I had to get one because it smells so nice. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you got inspired and I was able to show you what products you can get at H&M Home and Zara Home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.